Section 3.3, More with Graphing Rational Functions. Part 1, Graphs with Holes. Sometimes a rational function will have a hole in the graph, and that occurs when there is a common factor in the numerator and denominator. For this function, f of x equals x plus 4 over x squared minus 16, we're going to first find the domain. So we'll factor the numerator and denominator. The numerator is already factored as far as it can go. Our denominator is x plus 4 and x minus 4. Find the domain before you simplify the function. So x cannot be 4 or negative 4. So find the domain first, and then we can simplify the function. So x plus 4 will cancel out, and we're left with 1 over x minus 4. So where does the hole occur then? The hole in the graph will occur at x equals negative 4, because the factor we canceled out, x plus 4, that factor is equal to 0 when x is negative 4. And then to find the y-coordinate of that hole, we're going to use 1 over x minus 4 and substitute in negative 4 for x. So 1 over negative 4 minus 4 is negative 1 over 8. So we are going to now graph the function 1 over x minus 4, which will look exactly the same as the graph of x plus 4 over x squared minus 16, except that there will be a hole. So to find the intercepts and the asymptotes, we're going to use the simplified version of the function. So to find the x and y intercepts, remember we're going to use 1 over x minus 4. That numerator is never equal to 0, so there are no x-intercepts. When x is 0, y is negative 1/4, so that's our y-intercept. The vertical asymptote would be x equals 4, because that makes the denominator equal to 0. And the horizontal asymptote will be y equals 0, because the numerator has a smaller degree than the denominator. To find all of this, I was using 1 over x minus 4, the simplified version of the function. Now let's graph. We have a hole at negative 4, negative 1/8. So I'm going to put an open circle there. We're going to represent the hole as an open circle. We have an intercept at 0, negative 1/4. We have a vertical asymptote at x equals 4. And a horizontal asymptote at y equals 0. So we don't have a lot of points here, but we know that there's no vertical asymptote between the hole and that y-intercept, so they are going to have to connect. And then we'll get closer and closer to the asymptotes. We're not going to cross the horizontal asymptote because there are no x-intercepts, and the horizontal asymptote is the x-axis. And then the factor x minus 4 has an odd multiplicity, so because the graph is going down on the left side of that vertical asymptote, or approaching negative infinity on the left side of that asymptote, we know it's going up or approaching infinity on the right side.